हॅलो स्टुडंट, नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. विद्याभारती ई पाठशाला महाराष्ट्र स्टेट. I am Sunil Wadikar presenting here 1.1 Teenagers Prayer English Workshop. Class 10th Subject English.
We are going to complete English workshop. Question 1. Choose the correct alternative and complete the given sentences. A. According to the poet, dash are brought by each new day. New beginnings, new endings. What is correct? New beginnings. Yes, you are right. Now underline it. Next. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to dash. What is correct? Great distress or great success? Answer is yes, you are right. Great success. Underline it. Now next. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is dash. Might or right? Yes, you are right. Right is right. The poet prays to Lord to help him stand for what is right. Now next D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the dash years of his life. Worst or best? Yes, tell me. Best. Yes, you are right. Best is correct. So underline it. Best. Once again we read. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the dash means have been the best years of his life. Now once again we read all the sentences. According to the poet, new beginnings are brought by each new day. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to great success. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the best years of his life. So, have you understood? Okay, very good. Now next.
Activity number 2. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Let's find out. In first stanza, rhyming pair is make, take. Underline make, take first. Next, second stanza, success, distress. Underline it. Success, distress. Second. Now third stanza, see me. Third pair. Next stanza, way, day. Next, it is the last stanza. Again, see me. So these are the rhyming pairs. Activity third. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following options. First, AABB. Second, ABCD. Third, ABCB. Fourth, ABBA. The correct option is third, ABCB. Activity 4. Match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. Column A. First, decisions I must make. Second, please open my eyes, dear Lord. Third, travel down the darkened road. Fourth, I can choose to take the road of life. Column B. A. Apostrophe. B. Inversion. C. Metaphor. D. Alliteration. Now let's match column A with column B. First, decision I must make. Correct option, match with inversion B. So, next, please open my eyes, dear Lord. A. Third, travel down the darkened road. D. Alliteration. And last, I can choose to take the road of life, metaphor. Next activity, elements of planning and interview. Form groups and discuss each elements of planning and interview and prepare notes on each element. Next activity, prepare a set of 10 questions to interview any successful teenager. You may use the following guidelines. Standard template for conducting an interview. Format: name of the interview, name of the interviewer, topic, personal, recent, sports, business, music, art, venue, studio or TV channel or auditorium hall, etc. Date, time, duration, total 10 questions. Mix up of yes, no and WH questions. Place a proper background before every question. Conversation should sound like a real interview. Avoid very personal questions. So dear friend, with the help of this template, try to write WH and yes no question to take a interview. So do yourself this activity. Now next activity, read the poem and write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences with the help of the following points. Let's do this activity. Title, we know, A Teenager's Prayer. Poet, J. Moss. Rhyme scheme, ABCB. Favorite line, you choose any line from the poem. For example, I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success. I have chosen. You choose yourself any line from the poem. Theme, central idea. A teenager prays God to lead him and show the way of success and positively of life. Figure of speech, apostrophe, alliteration, metaphor, inversion. Special feature, this poem is a prayer by a teenager. The teenager speaks up his mind and requests God to lead him. Why I dislike the poem? You write, I like the poem. I like this poem because you write yourself. So complete this activity in your textbook or in a notebook. Next and last activity which is given here. Compose a short prayer in English asking God to guide you in your teenage years. Later, you can even try to make the lines rhyme to give it a poetic form. So do this activity and complete English workshop 1.1. Thank you. Dhanyavad.